Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to turn off location access in Safari. If you want to keep your location private while browsing, then follow this quick step. First of all, open up your settings application on your iPhone and then from the settings menu, scroll all the way down and tap on apps. Inside the app list, look for Safari and tap on it. Inside the Safari page, go ahead and scroll down and tap on Location. Inside Location, select Deny, and this will stop all websites from accessing your location. Your location is now private while using Safari. Browse freely knowing your digital footsteps are yours alone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.